Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to master one of the most fundamental tenses in English, the present simple. Don't let the name fool you. It's simple, but it's also super powerful. We use it all the time, so let's get it right. So, what is the present simple? We use it for a few key situations. First, for facts or things that are always true. For example, the sun rises in the east, or water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. These are universal truths, so we use the present simple. Second, we use it for habits and routines, things we do regularly. Think about your daily life. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. She drinks coffee for breakfast. They walk their dog in the park every evening. Notice how we often use adverbs of frequency like always, usually, often, sometimes, or never with this tense. For example, he never eats meat. Now, let's talk about how to form it. For I, you, we, and they, it's easy. You just use the base form of the verb. I work, you play. We study, they travel. Super simple, right? The only tricky part is with he, she, and it. For these subjects, we usually add an s to the end of the verb. So, it becomes he works, she plays, it rains. If the verb ends in s, sh, ch, x or z, we add es. For example, he watches TV, she washes the dishes. And if a verb ends in a consonant followed by y, we change the y to I and add es. Study becomes studies. Cry becomes cries. What about questions and negatives? We use the helper verbs do and does. For I, you, we, and they, we use do and don't. Do you like pizza? No, I don't like pizza. For he, she, and it, we use does and doesn't. Does he live here? Yes, he does. Notice that when we use does or doesn't, the main verb goes back to its base form. We say, does he live? Not does he lives. Let's do a quick recap. Present simple is for facts and habits. For I, you, we, they use the base verb. For he, she, it, add s or es. For questions and negatives, use do or does, and that's it. You've just leveled up your English grammar. Practice using it today. Talk about your daily routine or some fun facts you know. The more you use it, the more natural it will become. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.